While households are concerned with rising interest rates, the country's corporate sector is highly leveraged too. How are Bursa-listed companies coping as they come out of the pandemic into the higher interest rate regime? Meanwhile, there is also another party that gets the short end of the stick during a period of rising rates: bondholders. We also take a closer look at what has been a period of generous dividend payout in 2019 to 2021 for listed firms in which government-linked funds own substantial stakes. In city and country, the property market has been showing signs of gradual recovery, but challenges such as lending curbs, a demand mismatch and rising interest rates remain. Now more than ever, investors must do their homework and be mindful of risks when buying a property. Experts at the Edge Malaysia Real Talk 2022, the 14th edition of the annual forum, addressed some of these issues. In options, Chuyan co-founder Tri Mansao has carved a fruitful career spanning 6 decades, even as he dedicated himself to community and public service. Now he recounts his richly colourful life, along with that of Malaysia's identity and its economic and political journey, in his newly released memoir. In our Digital Edge pullout, as cookies are being phased out, digital advertisers and marketers are going back to traditional advertising strategies to get customers' attention. The next few years will be crucial as the industry tries to cope with a cookieless world and the advent of the metaverse and Web 3.0. And in wealth, local alternative investment platforms including robo-advisory, peer-to-peer financing and equity crowdfunding have not been spared from the negative market sentiment. Still, some remain confident about delivering fair returns to investors. Also included this week, Calibre, a horology special by The Edge, and a special issue on Malaysia-Japan ties as the two nations commemorate the 40th anniversary of the Look East policy. Details on this week's edition of The Edge. Save by subscribing to us for your print and or digital copy. The Edge is also available on Apple's App Store and Android's Google Play.